today we're going to take a completely different theme. I'm thinking of teaching you a Hindi song. So the idea is to expand the repertoire of Bharatanatyam, A, and to convey to people who are skeptics that Bharatanatyam is contemporary as we are. That it's not necessary that one has to just keep doing the traditional padams or something that was written decades ago or even hundreds of years ago, but you can bring in the same emotion, the same beauty, the same lyricism in a contemporary song. And I'm not even sure it's a contemporary song, it's a Hindi song. So basically what I'm trying to say is a song that can be understood by a vast majority of people, and hopefully they will understand the context also. So there are times when you choose certain songs. For example, if you have to when you know that your audience is predominantly Hindi speaking, then you would
do a song.
You would be guided by that by that concern that maybe I should perform a Hindi song for an audience that's predominantly Hindi, because there's an immediate connect when you perform that language. And also you may in the process be able to reach out to a larger audience and gain access to a larger audience, and thereby your idiom also of Bharatanatyam gets a wider kind of an audience, and they probably will you reach out and they understand what you're trying to say. So in this particular song that I have chosen is very unusual, very, very unusual, and it's not usually performed, and I don't think even there's enough poetry on it on that situation. It's a very commonplace kind of a situation. We have three characters here again. We have Krishna, who is for all dancers and for artists, he is the epitome of rasa, because he offers us to interpret him in any in any way. I mean, you can just Krishna can be interpreted in a wide variety of ways, and there's a lot left to imagination. So therefore I think Krishna is very, very popular, and he's also the god of rasas, because he himself experienced all the rasas and he let people around him experience all the rasas. He did not negate any rasa or say that this is better to the exclusion of that. So we have this Krishna, we have his wife Rukmini, on whom in Indian classical dances there are very, very few songs to be danced on. So and she, Rukmini, is a princess. She's a Swiya, a married woman, and she's only been in love with her husband and nobody else. So her first experience of love is with her husband, and she chose her husband. She wrote to him to come and kidnap her and take her away because she didn't want to be married to somebody else, and Krishna did it. And so she's completely, totally devoted to Krishna, immersed in him, but she's a Uttama Naika. Not just by virtue of her being a princess is she a Uttama. By nature she's an Uttama Naika. She's a woman who is able to understand her husband and understand the needs of her husband, understand the past, her husband's past.
And forgive.
Not forgive, accept. There's no question of forgiving the past, right? I mean, how do you forgive? I mean, we've already committed the mistake and you say, I forgive you. The past, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't even hold water. But if you're able to accept it and have the generosity to accept it and say that this is who my husband is or husband was, and this is how he became my husband, because this was the process of evolution for him to become who he is today, whom I love so much. I mean, what he is today is what I love so much, but there's a growth process to Krishna becoming what he is today, and he's gone through all these various
so human
processes. It's so human, yeah. And the fictional character in the song is Radha. She is not present, but she is a figment of imagination of Rukmini. Because Rukmini forever is perplexed by the thought of Radha. She keeps wondering, who is she, what could she be, was she like, because everyone talks about her, everyone says that my husband loved her the most, that my husband loves her even today, that she was she really beautiful? Was she really very, very intelligent? What was that? Was she a well-spoken woman who spoke beautiful words, softly, soft-spoken, well-meaning, well-spoken woman? What is it about Radha that is so fascinating to my husband, that got him completely and totally, encompassed in his love for her, mesmerized in his love for her, that he couldn't think of any other gopika, in Vrindavan, it was Radha and nobody else. So she keeps wondering about Radha, and when she has the slightest opportunity to go look for Radha, that she thinks maybe, when you're passing by, so is this where Radha lives? Okay, from far, let me just have a peek at her. Let me just look at her. I want to see what she looks like. What is her physical reality? Is she beautiful? Does she have beautiful eyes? Does she have so this whole, thinking and anxiety about what she was like and what she looked like is consuming me. It's just consuming me, and it's consuming my every waking moment. So let me go look for her. Let me see what she looks like. Because once I see her, then I know, okay, that's what she is. So then I can fix a face to who I'm thinking about, to what other people are thinking. Right now, there's no face that Rukmini can associate the name with. It's just Radha the name, but there's no face that she can associate the name with.
What a dilemma.
Yeah, so she goes in search of her. This is the song, and it's a straightforward song. And we start with a very straightforward manner. It's dealt with also in a very straightforward manner. The only nuances of expression and differences come when there's this delicacy of feeling. Of what a married woman, a confident married woman. I mean, Krishna would never leave Rukmini for anything in the world, and she knows it also. A confident married woman, a princess who has a title, who has wealth, who has respect, who is known as Krishna's first wife. Why is she stepping out of her safety zone and her palace, looking for a cowherdess? Because Radha is, after all, a cowherdess who has no money, nothing. She's just one among the many gopikas of Vrindavan. But of course, she's not one among the many. She is the woman who was able to attract and mesmerize Krishna, who is currently Rukmini's husband. So this is the context of the song.
So this song also has the structure like a Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam.
We have made it into a Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam because for convenience, you have
like
to.
that,
It was a song, yeah. It was a song, and as a dancer, you have to structure it, because if you don't, then you're lost. It's not like reading poetry. You have to come back to a refrain to be able to say, to give the message out of what you're trying to say and what you're trying to convey. So therefore, you have to have that format and have a Pallavi and an Anupallavi and some charanas. And in this particular song, because it's a Hindi song and she's going out looking for Radha, we also have a little bit of nritta kind of dances, like a fun and frolic kind of a dance, not serious nritta, not heavy nritta like in a varnam. You don't have to do that, but little to lighten the mood, to give it a feel of women frolicking, having fun, being together, looking for things, gossiping, looking. Because Radha goes with her Sakhis, with her bevy of Sakhis. She doesn't go alone. Rukmini in search of Radha. Therefore,
she doesn't go alone.
No, she won't go alone. Obviously, she's a princess.
Yes.
No princess is allowed to go alone. So she'll go with her retinue.
Okay.
The whole retinue goes. Searching for Radha, or not searching exactly, but looking for her. Is that her? No, it can't be her. Or is that her? No, maybe not, because her voice is not good. Is that her? Maybe not. That kind of a thing. But basically looking for Radha in a crowd of bevies, beautiful women. Yeah,
Seems like a very beautiful.
it's in Darbari, Rag Darbari, which we have set it to, and again, I mean, you know, how do you choose a song? You choose a song depending on what you want to convey that particular day, or at that particular psychological state of your own being. Or sometimes when you're reading and you're reading and you're reading, there's some poetry that attracts you and you say, okay, this is the poem I want to perform because it's different, it's beautiful, and the context is beautiful and subtle and lovely, and I want to do it, explore it. So you choose the poem, and once you choose the poem, then you know, if you have a singer, if you're a singer yourself, you try to set it to tune. If you have a singer who's a beautiful musician who can help you set that to tune and to rhythm, you go to them and seek their help and tell them the context of the song, tell them what you're looking for in the song, how what you want the feel, and you know, and the feel to be actually. I mean, how would you like people to hear it and see it? And the musicians most often give you 3-4 options. They sing it out, they tell you the ragas, and there is a certain raga that connects your heart to the song. Most often for senior dancers, for gurus, it's intuitive. It's a very, very intuitive process. You just have the connection and you say, okay, that is the raga that I think is right. And they go by intuition. Sometimes the musician guides the dancers and tells them that this particular raga is good for it because, you know, it's not close to another raga that's coming either before it or after it. Now that is also a consideration when you're, you know, dancing, or when you're doing it for a particular thematic kind of a, you know, performance. So there are many, many reasons why you would choose a particular song, or there are very, very many reasons as to why you would choose a particular raga for a song, and the meter. Meter most often is the words that go with it. So you know, it's always set in the lyrics, in the poetry that you choose. So this one is in Aditala. Sorry, because again the reason we've taken Ek Tala and not Aditala, because Aditala ends in 8. This is a Hindi song, and we thought that if you do Ek Tala, it's open ended, and you can just go on doing it. You don't have to end it and come back on on beat 1. It's in 4, but it can just go on in 4 without binding it to an 8 to come back. Simpler. So that's why it's in Ek Tala, and like I said, it's in Darbari Rag. Hindi, so we took a feel of like a North Indian, a Hindustani rag. Yeah. ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಂ
कौन राधिका कौन राधिका कौन राधिका राधिका कौन राधिका रानी में कौन राधिका रानी में सब मेला.
So basically, she's sitting in a palace and she's thinking about who Radhika may be, what her face could have been like, what her eyes could have been like, and what was she like. she hesitates a little bit and asks one of her Sakhis, "Do you know, have you heard about Radhika?" She says, "No." She says, "Okay." So she can't show too much concern. She says, "Okay." So she looks at, "Can I ask this woman? So have you heard about Radhika?" "No." It's okay. Go do your work. It's okay, good. Because you can't show that you're too curious
Keen on knowing.
and keen on knowing. So then after that, after doing Kaun Radhika about 3-4 times, we have to go into the raga part again. So then Rukmini steps out of her palace and she goes with some people, she's going out. So then she sees a whole bunch of women playing and all that. Then she catches over the best Saki and says, "Hey, come here. In those all that whole crowd of babies over there, is Radhika present? इनमें कौन Radhika है? Who's Radhika in that?" So that kind of builds the context of what she's trying to do. So ಕೌನ್ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ಒಂದು 4 ಸತಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಾಗ ಥರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ until she goes and then she sees this women, you know. Yeah. Standing.
कौन राधिका रानी
La, कौन राधिका?
From the beginning. कौन राधिका कौन राधिका कौन राधिका
I don't know. It's not. It's eyes, but not eyes as eyes. It is, you're thinking, how was eyes? How were eyes? So you will not do ah. No, and it won't even be like that. She's a Uttama Naika, you know, she's looking. What was her face like? I don't know, I wonder. And her eyes, were they beautiful? I wonder. Nose, lips, face, how was she? Let me ask this person. You know, that's ಇಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರಾಗ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
कौन राधिका कौन राधिका कौन राधिका कौन राधिका
रागा
कौन तदरिन
Way of Whale. Step out of the palace and go. Rani. And then she's looking at the scenic beauty, birds, thing, for some time. And suddenly she sees a lot of girls, bunch of women. Come here. So till there, and then
कौन राधिका रानी में कौन राधिका रानी में कौन राधिका रानी
you see her in that crowd.
में कौन राधिका रानी में सब मेला में ढूंढ न जाऊं प्रेम रस बानी
Janu, Prema Rasa.
जाऊं जानू प्रेम रस बानी कौन राधिका रानी इनमें सब मिलाने ढूंढ न जाऊं जानू प्रेम रस बानी
I want to know who that Prema Rasabani is.
राधिका रानी सब
La, Swara. You get up, I'll teach you this. Now this is Rukmini going to search for Radhika. Okay, and she's going with, like I said, a lot of friends.
friends.
Yeah. What kind of a dance would you choreograph for this simple, swara pattern?
So like
I-
them, they are.
So the first have ga ga ma re re sa ni sa da ni re sa ashte traga ilade heli ga ga ma re re sa ni sa da ni sa ni sa. See that the two, they are walking, Rukmini and her friends. They're plucking flowers, looking at the birds. They're just enjoying nature. Then they see all these women. Those women are all having fun. They are dancing. So you can show both Rukmini and her friends who are more kind of contained, and those women who are more boisterous and enjoying themselves dancing.
So I can bring a
Once
bit of
this
folk
and one.
element for them and bring a little bit of a pure dance kind of
Sequence for them.
Rukmini and
And since it's being repeated like twice, you can do once how Rukmini and her friends would do it, and once how Radha and her friends could do it also. So please try that.
for Rukmini and her.
No, you're walking, Kaun Radhika Rani, and then it starts.
1, 2, 3, 4 Gaya gama re re sa ni sa da ni ni sa ni sa re 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 sa re Gaya gama
Dance, pure dance. Gaya gama re re sa ni sa da ni re sa ni sa re 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 sa re. Then you'll be heading.
Yeah.
Just try and change the position and do it. The space. It can't. I mean, in the last bit, if you can move and then do the ga from that side. Space.
This one.
That's over. That's over. Yeah. Then the other one is her. Is Radha and her friends. What they are doing.
Huh.
Second time.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ga ga ma re re sa ni sa da
ni ni sa ni sa di 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 sa di ga ga
Jump.
di sa ga ga ma di di sa ni sa da ni ni sa di di sa di ga ga ma di di sa ga.
Next line.
Ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni 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 sa sa.
Twice.
Ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 sa.
Same.
Ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 sa.
1 hour में बरदो. But the idea is that you're chasing a bird or you're chasing a deer and you're running with that and trying to catch something.
Radha and gang.
Yeah, they're doing it and Rukmini is just waiting and seeing
Oh,
them.
Rukmini is not dancing.
No.
Then first we did Rukmini and her friend.
From after that do Radha, then it comes as Rukmini Puchita, na?
Okay. So this whole bit I will continue as Radha.
Radha,
and you?
yeah.
Okay.
And they are having fun. They are playing with water, playing with nature. There are birds. There are peacock with in Vrindavan. They're dancing, they're playing. So the whole composition should be like a play. It's pure dance, of course, but it has that fun element of what
So
rather.
now for this Mama, can I bring in the
Yes, like someone chasing a deer.
like
Yes,
they're chasing a deer,
yes.
or they're seeing the birds.
Birds. Yes.
I can do that.
So twice you get that mama mama. Na? Do twice. I mean, fix it. Maybe once you want to chase a deer and be the woman, then the bird, and then make the bird fly, and then the Muktayaswara comes after that.
One, two, three, four. Ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 ni. Sa 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 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 ni. Sa 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 sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ti sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ti sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ti sa.
Illa.
Risa da ni risa ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa risa da ni risa ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa risa da ni risa.
But you got to change the movement because it should not be repetitive.
So, Armada,
No, do something nice and like a nritta, no? With the flow.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa risa da ni risa
Then
ni ri ri.
three
that's
times.
one.
That can be the last one. I'm saying first two should be. I mean, you've shown animals. You've one animal. You've shown the bird.
Yeah.
Then show women dancing. No, yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah, but you can change the hands. Ni re sa, correct. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes,
Ni ri.
yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da
The first one
ni
was
ri
good.
sa.
The first one you did.
no.
That was the second one. You did something else before that. No, that was the third one I told you. The first one. You did something really nice. This one.
This. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa.
If you're doing this, no, the last, then don't do the first one the same thing. There has to be
I'm
some
just-
variety.
I'm really going freelance, so I'll fix it now.
Yeah.
So, ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ni
Sa, da, ni, ni, sa. Do that twice. Then
ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa
turn. Do something turning.
ni sa da
Ni, re, sa.
ni sa.
Or you can do someone playing, no? I mean, no. After that, I'm saying. Ni, re, 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 sa, sa, ni, re, re, sa, sa, ni, sa, da, ni, re, sa.
Okay.
And then one,
1,
two.
2, 3, 4. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa. Ni ri ri.
I'll do it.
Isa, da, ni, re, sa. Da, ni, re, sa. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa. Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa.
Yeah.
Ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa. Rukmini.
Okay. So do from the beginning until here.
This,
Or just do the swara.
this swara.
Once more. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. The- One.
Sorry.
2, 3, 4. Ga ga ma ri ri sa ni sa da ni sa ni sa ri 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 sa ri ga ga ma ri ri sa ga ga ma ri ri sa ni sa da ni sa ri ri re sa re ga ga ma re re sa ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 ni.
What was that?
1 2 3 4 ma 1 2 3 4 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 ma 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 pa 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 pa
Jam,
da 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 ni.
footwork has to be there. You can't just do, for everything footwork has to be there. I mean, whatever you're doing, even if jumping, you're doing Utplavana Aduvu, footwork has to be there. You can't just make it open-ended.
Okay.
It's a swara pattern.
1 2 3 4 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni 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 sa sa ni 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 sa ni sa da ni ti sa.
I can do dittai and go, no?
You can do dittai dittai, you can do tattaitam, you can do whatever in the other one also, no?
That's when I got the Tataitam I do. Here,
Tai takadimi, tai takadimi. That's how she's saying. Ma 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 pa sa 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 ni.
for the bird,
Ma 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 sa.
How will you go? And then last, you can't go on repeating, no?
last I will do the circle.
Yeah.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Mama.
1, 2.
2 3 4 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 ma 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 ni ri ni ni sa sa ni ri ni ni sa sa ni sa da ni ri sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ni ri ri ni sa sa ri sa da ni ri sa.
Let me do that last.
ಆಯ್ತು
I,
ಹಾಂ
You practice this, and the next class you do until here, and then we'll go to the charana. Okay?